Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time, but I am back. So yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a Summer Walker inspired makeup look. I'm going to put the album right here just in case you haven't seen it, but that's all I've been listening to recently, so I'm going to do a look inspired by that. It's kind of late, so the lighting might not be the best. Trying to do lashes for the first time. I got these lashes for Christmas from Five Below. I've never put on lashes, so I'm gonna try that. It's probably not the best to do on a school day, but I'm gonna do it anyways because why not? Getting all my stuff out. I'm gonna use the James Charles palette, probably most likely. So basically it's just a pink look, and so I guess this can go for Valentine's Day too. So yeah, let's just get started with this look. I suck at making videos by myself, so probably just gonna speed this up. So I'm gonna talk through it a little bit. I'm just gonna show you what I'm using on my skin first. I'm gonna use this Proactive green tea moisturizer, just to make sure my face is moisturized. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. Damage Control. So I finished my eyebrows and prepping my eyelid with concealer. So now I'm going to talk through the eye look, and I'm talk through the lashes, and then I'm going to speed up the face because that's basically what everybody does. So I'm going to take the James Charles palette, and the music is in the background, so I'm probably going to get copyrighted, but it's fine. So I'm going to take, whoa, just slammed in my face. So I'm going to take Pinkity Drinkity. I'm just gonna like make that a crease color. I already like set my face, my eyelid with But this is so light that it's not showing up. Now I'm gonna take Skip, this right here. And I'm gonna put that basically over my whole lid. With the same brush, a Wet n Wild blending brush. I should have brushed something. I might use the Take to Brazil palette as well. I will see how the colors turn out with just this. I'm going to take this color right here and the Take to Brazil palette because it's a little darker. And I'm just going to use that to deepen the crease if something would show up. There's like yeah, I see nothing. Maybe it's really close to that color, but I see nothing. Yeah, that's not doing nothing, so I'm gonna go in with Love That and the James Charles palette because it's like a darker, like pinkish. Let's see what that does to like deepen it. Yeah. I could care less. I think I'm done with that for now. I think I'm done with the James Charles palette. There's not like a peach in here, but I could use the light peach shade, so I'll hold on to that. So I'm just going to take my concealer and do a half cut crease. Actually, hers don't even look like a cut crease. I think it just used to use the shadows, but I'm still gonna take the flat brush. looks better than this eye. I don't know what to do to it, but I'll figure it out. Now I'm just gonna do a little like liner, not a wing, nothing, just a line. My hands are oily, but I'm using the Ico London liner. So that's it for that. Now I'm going to take the lashes and pick which ones look closer to which one she have on. So this is from Five Below, and it's just a pack of 5, and it comes with lash glue, and I'm going to use that, even though it's probably not the best idea, but I haven't had the chance to go to the store to get actual glue. So I'm going to take this tape off. No, actually I'm going to try to fix that. This is what they look like, and this is the lash glue. It's clear. I'm going to go with these. It looks more similar to the ones that she had. Mind you, I've never done this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to take it off. I know I have to measure it. Oh, this is going to be harder than I thought. Got glue on it already. I need to cut it. I need scissors. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take the glue. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's sticky. Okay. I'm just going to let it dry a little. Close my eye. Maybe that didn't dry enough because it didn't stick. I think I did it. I look weird. Oh, the end didn't stick. I'm just going to try to blend it with some mascara. I'm going to use this It's Superhero mascara. Yeah, that was not good. I need a real good mascara. Yeah, it's so cute. Molly! Ew! It looks ugly. So, this is the lashes. I tried. Beauty blender. I'm going to blend it. Pink, some of the bright pink under her eye. Just a little bit on each side. Just to blend it out. This is the finished look. I'm too zoomed in. Well, I guess you could keep it zoomed in. This is the eyes. The lips is just a NYX color. I don't know what color it is, but yeah, I just put lower lash line. I'm out of focus. This is the finished look. First time putting on lashes. Let's see if I can see with my glasses on. I look like a clown. I promise I know how to do makeup. Well, this video was just for fun. I had a lot of fun making this video and I'm still too zoomed in. So, the battery is about to die. So this is the finished look. I will insert a picture right here so you can get a closer look if that wasn't good. But yeah, I just had fun and I love Summer Walker and her music. So I just wanted to do this since I got lashes for Christmas. So I'm just cleaning up while I'm doing an outro. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below like videos to watch so I can get better at lashes and good lash glue and good lashes in general. Just anything you know about lashes. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. My next video will probably be me converting my hair back to curly. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I got a silk press. Didn't last very long. Too humid in Florida. So did I say that already? I don't remember. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye. I look like a clown.